Hey guys, this is Zach here at Uptown Barbers, where we use Layrite products every day. And today I'm going to be showing you how I cocktail our cement clay and our natural matte cream to achieve a style. This is our cement clay and natural matte cream cocktail. For both products, I used about a dime size worth of each. With both products in my palm, I emulsify them together, combining both products. As I apply the product to the hair, I make sure to disperse the product evenly throughout the hair using my hands and my fingers. After I thoroughly applied the product, I used a blow dryer with a diffuser nozzle to help disperse the heat evenly throughout the hair, and then I used a cool shot on the blow dryer to help lock in any of that product. With this style, I really wanted to maintain texture around the sides and the top. So with our natural matte cream, it allowed us to have good pliability with the strong hold of our cement clay without it feeling too heavy. When cocktailing these two products together, be sure to emulsify evenly, because you don't want one product to be chunkier than the other. You want it to blend really well, so you're not leaving any white streaks in the hair. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. This is how you properly cocktail our cement clay and our natural matte cream. If you're interested in looking further into our product, go to layrite.com and check us out.